Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time format on Google Flights from military time to standard time. First, open your browser and search for Google Flights, find cheap flight options, and track prices. Click on the result that says Find cheap flights worldwide and book your ticket. Once you're inside, search for any flight by entering your departure and destination. For example, you could type in New York to Los Angeles. After your search results appear, you'll notice that the times are shown in military time or the 24-hour format. To switch this to the standard 12-hour clock with AM and PM, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and look for the language option. If your language is currently set to English or United Kingdom or another region, change it to English or United States. The US English setting automatically uses the 12-hour format. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, return to your flight results and you'll see the time displayed in the standard AM and PM format. And that's it. That's how to change Google Flights from military time to standard time. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.